Hello guys, so welcome to this tutorial. So in this video tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to check for your sexy or airdrop and know what is your allocation. So the sexy airdrop we're talking about is the cex.io airdrop we did. So and you know that they are the one that have this power tap telegram app. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So for me, this is my airdrop claiming page. So from here I'm going to proceed to the main claim page, but since I've seen some information behind this scene, let me explain to you guys something. So for me, I am really pained that I'm not getting a lot of this token, and the reason is because I personally made a mistake. If you stick to the end of this video, I'm going to tell you guys the mistake I made. So without any further ado, let's jump right into this. So I'll click on this visit Be Sexy portal. So once I visit that, I'll click on get started. So once I click on get started, I will go over to airdrop, my airdrop. So once I'm at my airdrop, if you scroll down here, you will see that I'm allocated around 1111 sexy coin. All right, so many of you might be facing challenges, and these are the challenges that you might be facing. First challenge you might be facing is invitation code challenge, which is for you to even get access to this Be Sexy, all right, platform. You need an invitation code, and I'm going to leave this invitation code here. So this is my invitation code. I'm not getting anything because this airdrop have already been concluded. So even if you use my invitation code to join, I'm not going to be rewarded for it because the airdrop is already concluded. So first thing you need to do, copy this code, type it out as it is. I'm also going to put it on the screen. So type it out as it is, and you should gain access to this first page. So when you get access to the first page, then go to my airdrop. If you go to my airdrop session, under your airdrop session, you are going to see few information. The first is the airdrop fulfillment timer. So once you are seeing that, the next thing you scroll down to this point, it will now show you your activities and what you are able to achieve. So here you can see on the power tab, I got 1110. All right. Why on the cex tab, I got zero, I didn't participate in that, and wigwam drum, I didn't participate in that either. So my total claim here is around 1110 token. Now I told you guys that I made a mistake, but before that, let me tell you guys another information you are going to, or another issue you are going to encounter, uh, which many other people are encountering. So the first issue you are going to encounter is the issue of your sexy code. All right, the sexy code is a code. So as I said, the next challenges you might encounter will be the challenge that has to do with the code. All right, so there is a code you'll be required to put in, and that code, that is the sexy code. The sexy code you'll be required to put in, you can only get it from recent videos that they upload. So what you would do is just click down here, click on this YouTube icon there. If you click on the YouTube icon, it will take you to their YouTube channel. So all you need to do is scroll. You can see this video just dropped about 4 minutes ago, and in 4 minutes you can see over 1,000 people have watched it. So for you, if you want to get the code, subscribe to this their channel, take the notification button so that whenever they drop any of their video, it will pop up immediately, because there are thousands of people waiting to get their code. So I won't be able to play this, so that I will not this video will not be sanctioned as a result of what's it called, um, copyright. Okay, so if you click on this video, the video playing, if you go through it, listen through it, you are going to find out You will see the code as they are going to write it out. Copy it immediately and go and paste it in that place. That will activate it, because without you activating that, you will not be able to see your allocation. Now, back to the mistake I said I made. All right, the mistake I made here is on my power tap. All right, so on my power tap, and I'm going to tell you guys why. If you look, you will see that on my power tap, I am giving a total allocation of 1,110. And if you do the plus and minus, you will see it's more of like them dividing this 11 million CAPX, all right, by 10,000. All right, if you divide this by 10,000, it will give you almost approximately this. Now, this is where I made a mistake. The mistake I made was that I had majority of my uh, CX points. You can see like here, you can see this CX point here, this point here. Majority of my points were on, there is, because in their Power Tap app, there is two main currencies. So there is the Bitcoin currency, there is the Bitcoin currency, all right, which is the one we mine. Okay, we have the Bitcoin currency. So that Bitcoin currency, one of it is equivalent to the current price of Bitcoin. So one of it is equivalent to the current price of Bitcoin. Now, the mistake I made, which can be undone now, is that my sexy points, all right, I converted all of them to that BTC, that second uh, coin on their platform. Unknown to me that that second coin on their platform is not the main one, which is the sexy coin here is the main one. So for me, I would have, if based on, because I converted around 30,000 piece, I had around 30,000 K of that, their virtual Bitcoin there. If I've converted that to this sexy point, I would have had around 3.2 billion sexy points. All right, 3.2 billion sexy points, which after I did my plus and minus, I should be getting around 320,000 piece of this sexy token. But unfortunately, I didn't know that that was what they were going to do. So I lost that one. So for me, I'm not that too angry. I don't know how much is going to be worth. I don't know how much one of the token is going to be worth, but I don't think that is going to be worth that much. Okay, so I'm just doing this video for you guys to understand how to do it, how to claim. So for us, that my own, I'm already qualified to claim. So if I click on claim here, they will tell me to give me some informations and this I need to do for me to claim. So you can see this. So what I'm going to do now, just go back, I'll claim that later. So if you have any question, drop a comment in the comment section. Drop your questions on the comment section, and I will try my best to respond to you guys. That will be all for now. Take care. Bye.